So I had a friend the other day ask me what an American silver eagle was. And I kind of looked at him and said, "Are you serious?" He says, "Yeah. I really don't know what it is." He's 20 years old. I said, "Well, the American silver eagle," I said, "that's the official bullion coin of the United States of America." He says, "What the hell is bullion?" Before we get into what an American silver eagle is, let's find out what bullion actually is. Welcome back, everybody. I sure do appreciate your time being here with me. And if you appreciate my time, do me a favor, stop what you're doing, go down below, hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up on these videos, hit the bell for any future videos I will release. So again, the question was asked to me what an American silver eagle actually was. So I told them it's the official bullion coin of the United States of America. Then the question rose was, well, what the hell is bullion? Well, to make this easy on everyone, we're just going to go to the website and we're going to define what bullion is. And before we do all that, I just want to get into sometimes we take advantage of the knowledge we have, and questions like this that arise, we get taken off guard because we think everybody should know what we know. So the easiest way for me to explain this would be what somebody should do if they don't have anybody with any knowledge is pick up a computer, pick up a cell phone, pick up an iPad, anything you can, and do the research. So with this video, it's going to be short, it's going to be sweet. We're going to define what bullion is, and we'll give a few examples of said bullion. So, Investopedia.com defines bullion. What is bullion? Bullion is gold and silver that is officially recognized as being at least 99.5%, 99.9% pure and is in the form of bars or ingots. Bullion is often kept as a reserve asset by governments and central banks. So in short, bullion is any type of precious metal, let it be silver, gold, platinum, palladium, with at least 99.5 to 99.9% pureness. Okay, so now that we have defined bullion, let's just take a look at a few examples quick. Let's choose silver. It can be the same for gold, platinum, palladium, what have you. I just happen to be on a silver page. I went to another website, APMEX.com. I frequent APMEX pretty much a lot for new releases, something that's going to sell out fast and going to be what I believe a hotter item down the line, more of a quote unquote investment piece rather than a turning cash into metals piece. You can find a lot better deals on different sites. I'm not saying APMEX isn't a great site. I'm just saying there's a lot better deals out there to be have. So always be searching around your websites if you're like me and don't have an LCS to be frequenting and letting them know what you're looking for, get a great relationship with them, and so on and so forth. So for silver bullion, here is a 1 ounce 3/9 fine silver buffalo. We can come over, and now this is a little different. This is generic silver, not backed by any government, generic, and this is a bar form. This is a round form, this is a bar form. Both 3/9 fine, 1 ounce of silver. Now we can get into government-backed bullion, which would be one of them. We started off this episode with the American Silver Eagle. What is it? Well, here it is. We're not going to get into specifics, but this is the United States bullion coin in silver. $1, 1 ounce, fine silver. Beautiful coin. Here's the Britannia. Here is a Krugerrand, South Africa. Canada's maple leaf. hands down, for me, one of the most beautiful coins that has been produced for years and years and years. Random Bitcoin rounds. I mean, there's a lot of stuff that you can go through. You could search a long time and go through a lot of bullion. But that's generalized what bullion is and a few examples. Now, leave a comment down below, and if there's any more specific questions I could answer, give me some ideas of things you would like to know about that you're not too sure about or you haven't found out anything about. I'm more than happy to continue making videos like this. I would like to help beginners get into stacking the right way. So as always, I appreciate your time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe. Have a good one.